you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe to brine your Thanksgiving turkey in. This turkey brine recipe is really delicious. It only has a few ingredients, but it delivers an absolutely delicious bird. So brining your turkey could kind of be a pain, but honestly, it is so worth it. We're going to get started on this delicious turkey brine recipe that is perfect for your Thanksgiving turkey. So for those who don't know what brining is, it is basically soaking your bird in a fluid mixture. This adds flavor to your bird, it makes it more tender, it just basically is a great step to take. So all you have to do is get your turkey, get it in a large bin, and get ready to make your brining liquid. So depending on the size of your bird and what size container you have, you're going to need about 2 gallons or so of water when all is said and done. So you're going to want to make sure you have a big enough container to hold all of that. After that, you're going to take about half of one of those gallons of water and boil up some of your ingredients in it. So get that half gallon of water into a pot and add 1 cup of salt and 1 red onion sliced thin. You're going to also add 6 garlic cloves smashed, 6 bay leaves, a sprig of thyme, rosemary, and sage. You're going to bring all of that to a boil and then allow it to completely cool. So after you allow that liquid to completely cool, you're just going to pour it in over your turkey, making sure that all of it gets in there. And this actually smells delicious already. I mean, it smells like Thanksgiving. The aromas are fantastic that come off of this. After that, just a few more ingredients. We have 2 lemons here that we're going to squeeze and then completely drop into our bin. So just squeeze out the juice and then drop it in there. So I just cut my 2 lemons in half. That's completely fine. You don't have to get any crazier than that. And then we have 1 bottle of cooking wine. You can actually use a regular wine in here as well. So you can use just a dry white wine, but cooking wine works just fine. And then last step, we have 3 tablespoons of some black peppercorns that we're going to get all in that liquid before we add the rest of the water. After that, you're just going to cover your turkey with the rest of the water until you're completely covered and full. Once your turkey's covered, then you lock it up with the lid, and into the fridge we go for 8 to 24 hours max. I promise you, this turkey brine is worth it. The flavors are fantastic. Your bird for Thanksgiving is going to be delicious. And brining is not that hard. I mean, just throw in some ingredients and some water and you got yourself a turkey brine. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes and tips like this one every Tuesday. We have fun here. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking. And other than that, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving.